Here it is. It just pulled up all by itself.
The future is now, and it comes in the shape of this little round bubble of a car. Google invited us to be among the first outsiders to ride in their prototype self-driving car, a ride like no other. Feel free to text and drive, or take a nap for that matter. It identifies people, other cars, everything. This is what the car sees through a series of cameras, radars, and lasers. Not coming soon exactly, but according to Google, sooner than you think.
Jesus is the bread.
Now created the world's largest functioning whoopee cushion.
How could I ever acquire enough detail to make them think that it's reality?
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Take a closer look at that snout.
Time to feed my babies. You've never seen this next one?
Excuse me, sir, has there ever been a robbery at this establishment?
Not that I know of. I don't know.
Thanks, Shiver.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, Shiver.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Enough! Stop it!
You baby secret, she whispers, just to you.
Allahu Akbar.
I want to be ninja. I want to chop, 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 chow down, take chow down to Chinatown.